friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. Now I am going to discuss a fantastic things, that is British versus American. There are some words which is spoken or told or written by the British one way, but the same word is written by the American others way. এখানে কতগুলো শব্দ দেওয়া আছে, যে শব্দটা ব্রিটিশরা উচ্চারণ করে একভাবে, সেই শব্দটা অন্যভাবে উচ্চারণ করে না আমেরিকানরা। So let us come. What is the difference of the words? Autumn, British call autumns. Autumns মানে শরৎকাল, American calls fall. British call biscuit, American calls cookie. British calls caravan. Caravan means on travels on a desert. মরুযাত্রীকে বলে caravan. American calls trailer. Car parking, a place where car is parked. This is called by the British, but the American calls it parking lot. Chemist, but the British call chemist, but the American calls drug house. British call garden, bagan, American calls yard. Pocket money, which needs for every day, British call pocket money, American calls allowance. British call sweets, the same word is called candy by the Americans. So these are the most beautiful difference spoken by the British and the American. I hope this will help you for the spoken as well as written English, because at present in modern English there is no separate, there is no difference of British and American English. It has mingled, it is mixed up. So you can use in place of autumn, fall or likewise. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you everyone.